Welcome to War India News Hour. Open banking will improve people's financial health. The launch of open banking in 2018 promised to forge a new way of financial services. It was a bold statement of intent, and the reality is that it was never going to be possible to get people excited about what was essentially a change in the plumbing of the financial services sector. However, 3 years and one pandemic later, people are really started to register their interest in the increasing number of digital apps and services that are underpinned by open banking data. Despite a slow start in the early stages, we saw things move forward significantly during 2020. In fact, the number of people choosing to share their data through open banking has tripled since the state of the art COVID-19 pandemic. As a result of the pandemic, many people have turned to digital as accessing branches or using cash become increasingly difficult. Particularly during lockdown, leaders are also seeing the benefits with recent Experian research finding that 57% of lenders have adopted open banking technology in the last 12 months, helping people manage their finances in more fluid and intuitive ways online. People are increasingly understanding the ways their financial data can help them manage their finances more productively. The use of these financial digital apps and services offer people new insights that can help them manage their money and access better products that they may not have been able to access before. Let's look into today's headline in War India. ABN AMRO moves into invoice financing. Businesses are struggling with liquidity because of slow payments from other companies because of the coronavirus crisis. More than half say they are unable to pay invoice on time. ABN AMRO is offering a new service that can solve this problem and can also help companies that need extra liquidity to grow. It is really an interesting service for small business and startups are concerned. WhatsApp privacy policy violates Indian IT laws and rules, says government. The center has told Delhi High Court that WhatsApp's new privacy policy is a violation of the IT laws and rules and sought directions to the social media platform to make it clear whether it was confronting to the same. It said a reply is waited on the issue from Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg and therefore the status quo with regard to policy implementation should be maintained. WhatsApp told the High Court that it hasn't deferred its deadline for policy's acceptance. AT&T announces 43 billion deal to merge Warner Media with Discovery. AT&T Inc. and Discovery today announced a definitive agreement for a 43 billion deal combining its content unit Warner Media with Discovery. The combined entity Warner Media's premium entertainment, sports and news assets with Disney's leading non-fiction and international entertainment and sports business to create a premier standalone global entertainment company. Fake apps disguised as popular trading crypto apps form. Researchers at Sophos have discovered several counterfeit versions of popular cryptocurrency and stock trading apps such as Binance, Kraken, and Gemini on iOS and Android. Sophos discovers 167 fake Android iOS trading and cryptocurrency apps were being used by cybercriminals to steal money from users who believed they have installed legit financial trading, banking, or cryptocurrency applications. The attackers target users through dating sites and counterfeit websites. Sophos said they added that most of these apps were identical to each other and used near identical languages in their customer support chat option. Reliance Jio deploying largest international submarine cable systems. Reliance Jio Infocomm Limited is constructing the largest international submarine cable system centered in India. These high-capacity and high-speed systems will provide more than 200 Tbps of capacity spanning over 16,000 kilometers. Employing open system technology and the latest wavelength switch ROAD branching units ensures rapid upgrade deployment and the ultimate flexibility to add or drop waves across multiple locations. That all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to War India News Magazine. You can download the War India app from Google Play Store for latest views and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you so very much.